Okay, so in this video, let's understand what precision recall and F1 score are. Let me just draw the confusion matrix again, just so it's easier to follow through. This is 0, 1, 0, 1. This is true negative. This is false negative. This is false positive. This is true positive. Right? So first up, we have precision. So precision is basically just the number of true positives upon the total number of true positives plus the total number of false positives, right? So this is precision, but it's it's important to understand what does this actually mean. So what this is saying is that of all the points that the model correctly predicted to be positive, what percentage are actually positive? Okay, so of all the points the model predicted to be positive, these are all the points that are predicted to be positive, right? Either correctly or incorrectly. So of all the points that the model predicted to be positive, how many are actually positive? Okay, how many are actually positive? So it's basically telling you of all the points that were correctly or and incorrectly predicted as the positive class, we want the total number of points that were actually predicted correctly. Okay. And if we have recall, recall is nothing but your TPR. Okay. We saw TPR, what TPR is in the previous video, which I covered in confusion matrix. So TPR is nothing but TP upon total number of positive points. Okay. So this is the total number of positive points. This is the total number of negative points. So TP upon, this is basically TP upon TP plus Fn. So what this is saying is that of all the positive points which were correctly classified, how many were actually positive, correctly or incorrectly classified? Okay. Of all the points which were correctly or incorrectly classified, how many were actually positive? Right? So that's recall. Okay, so if you observe both precision and recall carefully, you would see that they both revolve around positive classes. So this metric emphasizes the positive class more. Okay, since they both precision and recall, they both revolve around positive classes. Both these methods emphasize on the positive classes more. So now, what if I want to, I want to use both precision and recall because they both use positive classes, and I want to find something related to my positive classes. So, is there a way to combine both precision and recall into one metric and use it? Turns out there is. It's called the F1 score. Okay, it combines both precision and recall together. And since we want both of them to be high, we want the positive class to be high in both of these. So the formula for F1 score is something like this: 2 into precision into recall upon the total number of precision plus the total number of recall. Okay, this is the formula for F1 score, and the F1 score is the higher the better. Okay, we want it to be high. We are basically combining precision and recall into one metric called the F1 score, and we are using it. So this would again find applications where you want the positive class to be high, and if you have an imbalanced data set and you want it to be correctly classified, right?